Welcome to DeChain Daily News. We share the best news stories of the day to keep you informed of cryptocurrency and blockchain-related headlines and events. Today is July 13th, 2022. In today's headlines, Bitcoin falls after higher than expected CPI report. Crypto mergers remain active in the bear market. There's news of Celsius STETH position rattling the market. Celsius receives WBTC used for collateral, and Charlie Munger says avoid crypto. So our first story, Bitcoin falls after higher than expected CPI report. Bitcoin spent a few minutes actually below $19,000 after the inflation estimate for June was reported. The United States Consumer Price Index, CPI, came in at 9.1%, which is higher than the expectation of 8.8%. The euro also fell below parity with the US dollar for the first time in decades, I think about 20 years. Ethereum also experienced a sharp decline after the release of the report. Next up, crypto mergers remain active in this bear market. So while the total market cap of crypto is down 70% in 2022, the merger and acquisitions market is on track to match or surpass 2021. There were 92 deals in the first half of this year, and the market seems poised to end the year at 184, slightly higher than 2021. Many of the deals so far this year have been larger firms like FTX, Binance, and Coinbase, buying companies in distress due to market conditions. Coinbase has made 8 acquisitions in the last 2 years, while FTX has made 6 and Gemini has made 5. Coinbase leads as the most active investor in 2022 with over 50 investments alongside Animoca Brands. Polygon, Solana, Sequoia Capital, Pantura Capital, and other firms follow with 26 to 50 investments in the first half of 2022. News of Celsius STETH position rattled the market today. Celsius paid off its loan to Aave, allowing the distressed firm to receive the $435 million of STETH that was staked as collateral. The company received 416,000 STETH tokens. That amount represents nearly 10% of the total supply of STETH tokens, which sits at 4.2 million tokens. The price of STETH fell even more relative to Ethereum due to the fear that Celsius would begin dumping the token, and that discount of STETH to ETH is one of the markers that many people use to value or to just see how the crypto market is doing. Celsius also received WBTC used for collateral. So Celsius paid off the last of its debt to Compound, allowing the company to collect its full collateral. The company was able to reclaim 10,000 WBTC worth $200 million. While Celsius has repaid more than $1 billion in loans to DeFi protocols, many regulators say the firm is still largely insolvent and not able to make whole all of the customers who staked assets in the platform. And finally, Charlie Munger says avoid crypto. Once again, Charlie Munger is calling all cryptocurrencies worthless. The 98-year-old billionaire joins countless other people of his vintage in expressing their lack of understanding the value of cryptocurrencies. It was a headline that, of course, made me laugh nonetheless, and I couldn't help but poke a little fun in this slide. I've seen some valuable innovations and opportunities in this market, the crypto market. So my skepticism as a traditional finance guy, my skepticisms have turned into belief the more I understood the possibilities. What do you think? Leave a comment in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button and join us tomorrow for another episode of DeChain Daily News.